Hey folks, today I'm going to show you how to add music to your YouTube video you've already uploaded onto YouTube. Alright, so when you're in your channel dashboard here, go down to Content, click on Content, select the video that you want to add the music to. See the little pen here, it says Details, hit Details, and then go to Editor. Alright, so now we're in the editor. If you look over here, there's a little musical symbol. It says audio when you mouse over it. Hit the plus sign, and it'll add a track. It'll say add tracks, and you get to choose from which tracks here you want to add. Now, I want to search for something that's pretty long. I want something that's as long as the video if possible. So I go up here to search, and you can search by the title of a track, a genre, a mood, an artist name. But I'm going to track duration. I'm going to search for duration of 30 minutes or more. So there are only 2 tracks that YouTube offers in their audio library that are free that you can use that are over 30 minutes. So I'm going to use this one here, and I'm going to go ahead and hit add. So now it shows me that this track is going to run at the same time as the video is going to run. And since the video is longer than the audio, I can actually move where the audio is going to lay over the track. So I could like centralize it if I wanted to. So I'll start out quiet, or with the original audio actually. I'll start out with the original audio. But I want to cover that up. So I'm just going to go, I'm going to have the track start at the same time the video starts, and then there'll be a little gap at the end, but that's fine. It'll fade out. It'll be like a fade out, I guess, because this is a nice quiet track. Oh, plus you can preview the track by hitting this button here, and it'll play the audio track so that you can determine whether or not it's the style of music that you want for your particular video. But I'm just going to do this real quick to show you. If you make a mistake, you can hit remove here. If you hit remove, it just, see that blue line disappears. But I'm going to hit add, and then in order to make this change happen, you go up to the top here where it says save, hit save, and it'll tell you it may take a few hours to apply these changes. So you hit save, and that's it. Now it's saving it, and also it tells you that the artist wants to be credited. So in the description part of your video, you have to put this text, but it makes it very easy because this little this icon here, which represents like copying a page, you just press on that, and it will copy it to your clipboard in Windows, and then you can paste it into your description box on the video. And make sure you do this because these artists work very hard to have their audio and their music files to create them, and they want to be credited. It's the least we can do for letting us use them for free. So then you can hit done, and now this video is being saved. But like it says, video is being processed. Check back later. So that's all you can do for now. So while that's happening, you can't make any other changes, but it'll take a few hours. So that's one thing. You know, there are other editors you can use instead of YouTube's editor, but they don't necessarily provide free music. You'd have to download the music and then use the music, you know, inside of that program. But this is one way to do it. So I just thought I'd show you that real quick. If this video helped you, please smash like. And if you have any questions, go ahead and put them in the comments. I'll try to answer any I can. Have a great day. See if you can help somebody and not get caught today. Take care.